Etiology and types of hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism means the thyroid is underactive one, is not functioning at normal level. That is, the production of thyroid hormone is decreased to the subnormal level. That doesn't fulfill the requirement and the demand of the human body. It is of three main types: primary hypothyroidism, when the cause is located in the thyroid glands; secondary, when the cause is in the pituitary gland; tertiary, when the etiology or the pathology is in the hypothalamus located in the brain. So these are the three main types of the hypothyroidism. In addition to these two, there is congenital hypothyroidism, which is present in the babies, neonates; subclinical hypothyroidism. In addition to these, there are various etiological factors. The main is Hashimoto thyroiditis. That is the autoimmune overactivity and reaction against the normal thyroid tissue. This is due to overactivity of the autoimmune system, that is the defense system of the human body against his normal tissues. The exact cause is up till is not clear, because mostly it is due to the defective genes, because it is not present in everybody. In few cases, the immune system is taking action against the normal tissues due to misconception, misunderstanding, faulty action, and damage the thyroid tissue, producing chronic inflammatory disease of the thyroid, which leads to the hypothyroidism. In addition to this, dietary insufficiency in the iodine element, which is necessary for the production of T3, T4 hormones in the thyroid gland. So iodine is a compulsory factor. When it is not supplied or not taken in sufficient quantity in the diet, in the form of food or in the supplementary, the tablet form is not taken, then there is a decrease in the supply of iodine to the thyroid gland, that produces deficiency of the T3 and T4, that is the thyroid hormones. In addition to other factors which are additional ones, that is, if there is chemotherapy, radiotherapy in various carcinomatous disease around the gland, in the neck or the brain or the chest ones, there is radiotherapy, effect of radiation that also influence or the produces defect in the neighboring normal tissues. There is surgical excision of the thyroid in hyperthyroidism. So some part of the tissue or the part of the thyroid is excised, due to which the normal remaining tissue, they are a small one, they cannot produce the sufficient quantity of the hormones. In addition to these, there are chronic inflammation by the bacteria, virus are the parasites. They produces inflammation in the thyroid tissue by the production of cytokines, and these produces or lessens the reduce the activity of the thyroid tissue and production of the hormones. In pregnancy, 50% more is demand by the pregnant female and the fetus in the uterus. So there should be the increased production of the hormone by the thyroid glands. If there is deficiency or the etiological factor produces hypothyroidism, so that produces ill effect to the pregnancy that may lead to miscarriage, abortions, and also to the neonates born, that is the development of the mental and the physical development of the formation is also influenced by the deficiency of the thyroid hormones in the the uterus, or when the fetus is being formed in the uterus of the pregnant woman. So in pregnancy especially we have to check the level of the T3, T4, especially T4, which is a marker one. T4 level must be checked in the pregnant woman, and if there is deficiency we have to deal the levothyroxine should be given to the pregnant woman, and the sufficient quantity of the iodine in the form of diet or in the form of supplements. So these are the various types and the various etiological factors of the hypothyroidism.